Hello guys, welcome back to Cabello and welcome back to a new video on my Minoxidil journey. This is going to be week 54 using Minoxidil, 1 year and 2 weeks, and my second week using Minoxidil 10%. And we're gonna talk a little bit about that. But first, thank you guys so much for all the support you gave the other video, the 1 year video. It's kind of crazy how many likes and comments and views that video got. And not only that, but also how many positive comments and how many positive advice I got on that video. It was really cool to see, and I really read all the comments and I take everything into consideration. So yeah, anyways, thank you. Anyways, 10%. I've been using the 2-gain 10%, like I said in the last video, for 2 weeks now. It's been rough, I'm not gonna lie. It's been really hard. This thing is very, very thick. It smells funny. It doesn't smell bad necessarily. I would say it smells something like tan lotion, like sunscreen. Not tanning lotion, more like sunscreen. But yeah, it's very sticky. It takes forever to dry. I think it takes like an hour, probably an hour and a half to dry, I would say. And yeah, it's hard for me to keep being consistent with it. I mean, I haven't missed a day yet, but it's really hard when I wake up to put it on. Also, something else. Side effects. Right now you can't see it because I have lotion on, but I have a ton of dry skin now since I switched to 10%, which I was kind of over that side effect with Minoxidil 5%. Maybe I'm gonna get over it with time, but it's been really, really bad, like to the point where I would apply Minoxidil and it will it hurt my face because it's so dry. So yeah, that's Minoxidil 10%. Now, it's been working, and I think you're gonna agree with me when we see my beard and we see specifically the areas where I think I've seen development in just 2 weeks, and I've already seen how the 10% is working. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting with my left side, as always. So yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell or not, but I feel like it's thicker. I mean, it's also longer than it's ever been, I think. But I feel like it's thicker now that I started using the 10%. This area here, again, is not a blank spot anymore like it used to be, but that's been like that since the 1 year video. So that's my left side. And neck. I recently had a haircut and a beard lineup. That's why it's cleaner on here. So moving to the special area I have, my mustache. So I saw a lot of you, well, yeah, some of you said how it's kind of weird to have a beard without a mustache, and I completely agree, 100%. But I really don't like my face clean shaven now. I'm really getting used to having a beard, and I kind of like that. So it is what it is. For the meantime, that's what's gonna be. But in the 2 weeks I've been using 10%, I've noticed new hairs on my mustache, which is good news. If this will focus, this will be great. So there we are. Right here, there's some new hairs coming out that weren't there before. Overall, there is more vellus and more transitionals, sorry. So that is great news. That is really good news. That's one of the main reasons I switched to 10%. It's my mustache. See if we can do anything about that. So, chin area. That's what it's looking like right now. Not much difference since 2 weeks ago. Now the right side, sorry. Still have that patch there. As you know by now, this is my weak side. But it's getting good. I mean, I think I'm making progress. I don't think I have plateaued or anything. which is good news. This area, again, the blank spot, the bald spot, I think it's getting new hairs. I can't really tell because my hair is very long. So yeah. And then underneath, that's what it looks like. So this hole I had here, you can still kind of see it, but it's much better now. Like, it's much fuller. Anyways, I think that's all for now. This is my 2 weeks into 10% and my 54th week using Minoxidil in total. I hope you guys enjoyed that little update, and I'll see you again in 2 weeks for the 13 months update. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give a like to the video, and I'll see you then. Bye.